Congratulations on the purchase of your new Tennant Model 6200 Power Sweeper. In order to introduce potential operators to this machine and prepare them to operate and care for the machine effectively, this video is presented in 5 sections: machine controls and instrumentation, pre-operational checks, operating the machine, emptying and cleaning the machine, post-operational checks, machine controls and instrumentation. The directional pedal controls the direction of travel and the propelling speed of the machine. You can change the speed of the machine with the pressure of your foot on the pedal. The harder you press the pedal, the faster the machine travels. To propel forward, press the top of the directional pedal with the toe of your foot. To propel in reverse, press the bottom of the pedal down with the heel of your foot. Take your foot off the directional pedal and it will return to the neutral position. The service brake pedal stops the machine when pressed. The parking brake sets and releases the front wheel brake. To set the parking brake, depress the service brake and press the lever at the top of the service brake pedal with your toe. Then release. To release the parking brake, press and release the service brake pedal. The debris trap pedal is used to open the flap in front of the main brush. This allows larger debris to enter the brush compartment. When the pedal is fully depressed, the flap in front of the main brush is raised. When the pedal is released, the flap returns to the working position. The main brush lever controls the position of the main brush. To lower the main brush, pull the lever to the right and back into the main brush down position. To raise the main brush, push the lever up and to the left into the main brush up position. The vacuum fan brush switch controls the power to the machine's dust control vacuum system, main brush, and the dust filter shaker system. On machines powered with internal combustion engines, this switch only controls the dust control vacuum system and the dust filter shaker system. To turn on the vacuum, press the top of the switch. If the machine is battery powered, this will turn on the main brush also. To turn off the vacuum and main brush, press the switch to the middle position. To run the dust filter shaker system, press and hold the bottom of the switch for 8 to 10 seconds. On electric-powered machines, the power kill switch halts all power to the machine. You can press the power kill switch to kill the power. To reset the power kill switch, turn the switch knob in the direction of the arrows to release the switch and restart the machine with the key switch. Also on electric-powered machines, the battery discharge indicator shows the charge level of the batteries. When the batteries are fully charged, the indicator on the far right is lit. As the batteries discharge, the indicators will move along the display to the left. Recharge the batteries when the indicator flashes. The steering wheel controls the machine's direction. The hour meter records the number of hours the machine has been operated. Use this information to determine machine maintenance intervals as outlined in the maintenance section of the machine manual. The ignition switch starts and stops the machine with a key. To start the machine, turn the key all the way clockwise. To stop the machine, turn the key counterclockwise. The horn button sounds the horn when pressed. The side brush lever controls the position of and power to the side brush or brushes. To lower the side brush and turn it on, pull the lever left and forward into the side brush down and on position. If the vacuum or vacuum main brush switch is on, the side brush will automatically start rotating. To raise the side brush and turn it off, pull the lever back and to the right into the side brush up and off position. The optional operating and hazard lights switch powers on and off the headlight and the hazard light. To turn on the optional operating light, press the top of the switch. To turn on the optional operating and hazard lights, press the bottom of the switch. To turn off all lights, return the switch to the middle position. The circuit breakers are resettable electrical circuit protection devices. Their design stops the flow of current in the event of a circuit overload. Once a circuit breaker is tripped, it must be reset manually. To reset, press the reset button after the breaker has cooled down. If the circuit breaker trips again, contact qualified service personnel. Please note, on electric-powered machines, the operator seat has a safety switch that stops the machine from being powered up unless the operator is sitting in the operator's seat. The hopper is located in the rear of the machine. The hopper is capable of raising, so it can be emptied into a container. By pressing and holding the top of the hopper lift and lower switch, the hopper can be raised to the desired height for dumping. Once the hopper is placed over the debris container, press and hold the top of the hopper door open-close switch to open the hopper door and dump the debris. Next, press the bottom of the hopper door open-close switch to fully close the hopper door. Pre-operational checks. Before operating the machine, there are a few pre-operational checks that need to be made to confirm the machine is ready for operation. Check the brakes and steering for proper operation. Check the brush compartment skirts and hopper seal for damage or wear. Remove any plastic wrap or other debris from the brushes that may cause damage. If your machine is electric powered, check the battery charge level. If your machine is internal combustion engine powered, check the engine oil level and add enough of the proper engine oil to bring the level up to the full mark. Operating the machine. Please refer to the Use and Care Guide for reminders on how to operate the machine. To sweep with your Model 6200 power sweeper, simply sit in the seat, place your foot on the brake pedal, and turn the key switch clockwise to start the machine. Confirm the parking brake is released, turn on all required lights, and then propel the machine to the area to be cleaned by depressing the directional pedal. Before you begin sweeping, pick up plastic wrap, twine, and banding that may wrap around the brushes and damage the machine. To start cleaning, press the top of the vacuum or vacuum and main brush switch, lower the main brush and side brush as needed, and propel the machine. You should propel the machine about 3 miles per hour for the best sweeping performance. If you sweep large debris, you can depress the debris trap pedal to allow the debris to enter the brush compartment. When the pedal is released, the flap will trap the debris in the brush compartment so it can be swept into the hopper. If the machine is electrically powered and equipped with the optional vacuum wand, lift the wand off of the carriage and vacuum up the debris you can't reach with the machine. The vacuum fan system for the wand will automatically start when the wand is removed from the carriage. If you need to operate the machine without the vacuum wand attached, remove the wand hose from the vacuum box. Fold the wand carriage back against the machine and turn the cam down to depress the fan switch. This switch position will prevent the fan from turning on when the wand is not in the carriage. If your machine is equipped with the optional quick mop, it can be attached to the machine by placing the quick mop assembly on the mounting adapter on the front bumper of the machine and securing it with the threaded connector knob. To lower the quick mops into the working position, move the release lever on each quick mop assembly. To raise the quick mops, lift each quick mop until it is latched into the up and locked position. To stop cleaning, press the bottom of the vacuum or vacuum and main brush switch to turn off the vacuum fan. Hold the switch for 8 to 10 seconds to activate the filter shaker system. Lift the main brush and side brush with the brush lift levers. Propel the machine to the cleanup area, turn off all lights and the machine, then set the parking brake. Emptying and cleaning the machine. First, position the machine near the debris container or area where you will empty the hopper. Press and hold the top of the hopper lift and lower switch to raise the hopper to the desired height. position the machine over the container, then press and hold the top of the hopper door switch to open the door and empty the hopper. Next, press and hold the bottom of the hopper door switch to close the hopper door, and then press the bottom of the hopper lift and lower switch to lower the hopper. Note, anytime you will be working around the machine with the hopper raised, you must deploy the safety brace. To deploy the safety brace with the hopper fully raised, you must reach from the operator's compartment in order to grasp and move the brace into place on top of the hopper lift and lower hydraulic cylinder. To store the safety brace and lower the hopper, you must first raise the hopper to its fully raised position. Then, reaching from the operator's compartment, grasp and move the brace to the stored position. If the optional vacuum wand was used, check the filter bag condition. If the vacuum wand loses performance or the bag is full, replace the filter bag by pulling the bag off of the tube in the filter box and replace it with a new bag. Post-operational checks. Check the brush skirts for damage and wear. Check for wire or string tangled around the main brush and side brush. If your machine is an electric-powered machine, check the battery charge level and connect the batteries to the charger if required. The main brush should be removed and rotated after 50 hours of operation. With the main brush lift lever in the up position, open the brush compartment door on the left side of the machine. Remove the idler arm mounting fastener and the 3 side skirt mounting fasteners, and then remove the assembly from the machine. Pull the main brush out of the brush compartment and remove any debris wrapped around it. Rotate the brush end for end and reinstall it. Reassemble the skirt and idler arm assembly, secure the mounting fasteners, and close the compartment door. Also, after 50 hours of operation, the dust control filter needs to be cleaned and the seals checked. Once you have released the latches on the hopper filter cover, the cover can be pulled toward the rear of the machine and removed. Next, unplug the wires from the shaker solenoid and remove the filter and shaker from the filter compartment as an assembly. Inspect the filter condition and filter seals for damage. Reinstall the filter and shaker assembly. Reconnect the wires to the shaker. Install the filter cover and secure the latches. Performing the daily service checks and following the proper operating procedures for your machine will ensure that it'll perform in top condition throughout its useful lifetime. You will find it cleans better, has fewer maintenance problems, effectively enhances your work environment, and we're sure you'll be happy with your Tennant Model 6200 Power Sweeper for a long time.